In today's fast-paced world, people are starting to pay more mind to their well-being due to high demands of living, which causes strain on their health. What we will be discussing for this series will be the health benefits of the various traditional foods indigenous to our land. Let's talk to Mrs Odilia Hange and find out about her experience with diabetes.
Wapenduka moro owamika Mrs Odilia Hange moganzi ke nna mo wading ya bosele ke tshela ka bolwetse jwa swikiri le madi a matona bolwetse jwa me jwa swikiri ke jwa stage 1 BP ga ke itse di stage tsa yone ga ba mpolelela ka yone ke rutilwe ka ya swikiri hela ya BP yone ga ba mpolelela tota ne ke sa ikutlwe sentle hela ke kgalega matemogano ke sa nna sentle hela ke khanyegile dinao gore go na le lenga hela le letona yana so ke nna ke lapisegile hela ke rota khapetsa ke ipotsa re ya no kante mo ke so ha ke tsena tleliniki ba ntha ba re swikiri ya me go godimo thata. It was 2016.
Our in-house doctor gave us more insight and expanded on what Mehange had to say on her experience with diabetes. Many a time, a diagnosis means an all-round lifestyle change. In the case of diabetes, what are the lifestyle changes patients have to make to improve the quality of their life?
My name is Doctor Bearnard Morapedi. I'm a specialist physician. I'm currently based at Maun Private Hospital and Doctors Inn Health Center, both in Maun. So traditionally we have type 1 and type 2 diabetes, as well as gestational diabetes, which often happens in pregnant women who don't have a prior diagnosis of diabetes. The most prevalent type, of course, is type 2. About 90 to 95% of patients with diabetes have type 2 diabetes. So type 1 diabetes is it can be autoimmune or idiopathic. Autoimmune is when the body starts attacking itself for whatever reason, and then it results in an insulin deficiency. Type 2, on the other hand, is related to lifestyle, right? And it's usually due to insulin resistance. So in type 2, there's not absolute deficiency of insulin, but it's an insulin resistance problem.
Go hetoga mo dijong go hetogile dijo na go ntse re ja dijo tse di na le moroko rona ba swikiri or especially bo dinawa yana di khobeke kwa just amba se le se soyela go batla o se mixa le dinawa bo merogo bo maungo tse dingwe hela yana nna tota ke tla re ke thusegile ka gore swikiri ya ka sa le simologa hela e santse le go wane hela mo stage se wane.
While diabetes is not reversible and cannot be cured, we have seen that it is very much preventable and manageable, as is the case with Mrs Odilia Hange, and was confirmed by our in-house doctor. We believe it is commendable how she has and continues to keep her health in check. Many Batswana can learn from her story, diabetic or not.